Hi, today we are going to talk about the Stampin Cut and Emboss Machine Embossing Sandwich. Your machine will come with multiple plates to get started. The two clear cutting plates, the base plate, the die plate, and the specialty plate. Other plates and accessories are also available to purchase separately, like the magnetic plate and the embossing mats. You will notice that our plates are now numbered. This is to help you know which plate to use and the order it goes in quickly when making your sandwich. When embossing with standard embossing folders, your sandwich will look like this. Your base plate goes first, number 1. Next, you will add your cutting plate, number 3. Your embossing folder with the paper inside comes next. Always place it so the hinge rolls through first. And finally, add the other cutting plate number 3 to complete your embossing sandwich. When embossing with 3D embossing folders, your sandwich will look like this. Your base plate goes first, number 1. Your embossing folder with the paper inside comes next. Again, always place it so the hinge rolls through first. And finally, your 3D embossing folder plate comes next, number 4. That completes your 3D embossing folder sandwich. A little tip, if you are not seeing a deep enough impression, try spritzing the paper prior to running it through. Run it through your machine and you will have a perfectly embossed image. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine.